Hello to dear friends, followers, listeners, how are you all? Hope all will be fine. You're doing very awesome. Welcome to another video of today result of step index robot. Why I'm calling the step index? Because I love the step index, the way it's working and also the way I have spread you guys now that step index spread is totally very awesome. Just 0 1. So because of that, a lot of people using. We started this account with $100 and started this robot on this account. It's really making awesome profit daily basic continuously, as you guys looking at scalping based on open candles and making hug profit using this robot. Looking at two losses is there with 1 pip. And what we made using this robot, look here, the total profit is 68.73, and that's real count. And look here, the total deposit, and right now the balance is $170.48 is the balance of this account right now. So this robot is working very awesome. It's really making profit daily basis and continuously. If you guys interested, feel free contact us and purchase the robot and make awesome profit using this robot. This robot is working based on scalping. Lot of people ask me how this thing is work. It's working based on scalping, open candle based scalping, and also swing based scalping. Is all depend on this robot analysis. How the robot's doing analysis is all up to robot. So the signal and the trades and also how to close, how to open, and when to enter is all up to robot. We just need to set this robot on our account and wait for results, and this robot will make profit and give you awesome profit. And look here, as we made today 69 point something near. So it's really very awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.